In today's video, I am going to teach you how to build your first Squarespace website. To begin, open your web browser and go to squarespace.com. Once the homepage loads, look for the Get Started button and click it. This is the main entry point to creating a new site, and it will guide you into Squarespace's design and setup flow. Next, you will choose a template. Squarespace templates are pre-designed website layouts that you can customize, so you do not need to start from a blank page unless you want to. Take a moment to browse by category so you can find a design that matches your goal. For example, if you are setting up an online store, explore the e-commerce category. If you are showcasing your work, look under Portfolio. And if you are promoting a business or offering appointments, Services is a solid place to start. As you browse, focus on the overall structure and style, like the header, the navigation menu, and how the homepage is laid out. Colors, fonts, and images can be changed later, so it helps to pick a template that already feels close to the layout you want. If you prefer extra guidance, you can also use Squarespace Blueprint. This is optional, but it can be helpful when you are building your first site. Choose the option that says Build Your Own, and Squarespace will walk you through selecting the sections you want on your site. You can choose elements like a hero section at the top for a strong first impression, feature sections to highlight services or benefits, and a footer for contact details and links. This approach is useful because it helps you assemble the core pieces of a website in a logical order. After you pick your design, you can start editing right away. At this point, you are inside the site editor, where you can click into areas of the page to update text, swap images, and adjust sections. Move slowly and make one change at a time so you can clearly see what each edit does. If you are unsure about a section, keep it simple for now. You can always refine it later as your website takes shape. That covers everything you need to know, and that is all there is to it.